So what's up guys, Tristan Official is here. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba mag-inject ng skin ni Cho sa Mobile Legends. So bago pala yan guys, gusto mo ba magka-ML Diamonds? Ang iyong gagawin lang ay download yung Tong Let's Go na nasa description link ko o nasa pinned comment. At kapag na-download mo na, mag-comment ka ng email ID mo sa video na to. So yun lang guys, napakadali lang. So ano ang hinihintay nyo? Mag-download na kayo ng Tong Let's Go.
Hey, have you heard lately that the rewards of Tonglet's Go have been greatly upgraded in 2025?
Oh, really? Tell me all the ongoing activities.
Haha, the activities this time are extremely attractive. There are two really great activities. First, the card collecting event. The total prize pool has increased from 10 million to 30 million gold. As long as you log in and play the game, you can collect cards. Once you complete the set of cards, you can get unlimited gold rewards. You can enjoy the fun of collecting cards and easily get a large number of rewards while playing the game. It's really great, isn't it?
Wow, that's really wonderful. It seems quite easy to get a lot of rewards. Are there any other activities?
Of course, there's also the car raffle event. This is the most unmissable activity at the beginning of 2025. Just join the club and play the game, and you'll have a chance to get raffle tickets. The more raffle tickets you have, the higher your chance of winning. Imagine, you could also be one of the lucky ones to drive a car home.
What? There's really a chance to win a car. That's so tempting. Are there any other rewards besides the car?
Haha, of course. Winners will also get a large number of Go-Stars, and one Go-Star is equal to one load. Once you have these loads, you can convert them into MLBB diamonds for free to get popular skins, like the Sovereign of Realms skin, Hunter Times Hunter skin, and so on. Besides, you can also use these Go-Stars to get the latest Apple Huawei phones, as well as Vivo, Tecno, and Infinix hot phones. It's really a great deal, isn't it?
God, it sounds so great. I'm really excited. I need to download Tonglet's Go right away and give it a try.
Haha, you're right. Don't miss this great opportunity. Download and try it right away. Maybe you'll be the next lucky one.
So ngayon guys, ituturuan ko na kayo kung paano nga ba mag-inject ng skin ni Cho sa Mobile Legends. So una, i-open natin yung injector natin. So kapag na-open nyo na guys, click nyo yung soft permission. Tapos grant permission na sa ibaba. So kapag na-click nyo yun guys, mapupunta kayo sa files. Click nyo yung use this folder na sa ibaba, tapos allow nyo lang. Kapag na-allow nyo na guys, may lalabas na notice. Click mo yung like at mapupunta ka sa YouTube. Kapag nakapunta ka na sa YouTube guys, balik mo lang sa yung injector. So kapag nandito na tayo sa main ng injector, hanapin po natin yung Lore Yagami ni Cho. At kapag nahanap nyo na guys, click nyo lang yung claim at mapupunta ka sa mga skin ni Cho. At hanapin mo yung Lore Yagami ni skin ni Cho at i-click mo yung ulit yung claim. Tapos inject mo lang. So kapag na-inject nyo na guys, mag-a-add siya guys at antayin nyo lang matapos yung ads para ma-inject na yung skin ni Cho. So skip lang natin yung ads guys para ma-inject na yung skin ni Cho. So kapag na-skip mo na yung ads guys, antayin mo lang hanggang matapos yung extracting. So kapag natapos na extracting guys, may lalabas success. Meaning yan ay gumana na po yung skin na inject natin kay Cho. So tingnan natin sa ating Mobile Legends app guys. Tara!
Clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah.
So nandito na nga tayo sa ating email guys. Check natin yung in-inject natin na skin kay Cho kung gumana ba. So kung nakikita nyo guys, gumana talaga yung in-inject natin na skin kay Cho. So sana nakatulong sa inyo guys at dito na natapos ating video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Peace out.